420 is here. Celebrate with up to 20% off your favorite grow gear for a limited time only. We've bundled GGS with fans, ventilation system, DWC kits, supplemental light, and plant stand with grow lights, all in ready-to-go combos. Find the perfect set for your grow room on our website and enjoy the biggest 420 discounts of the year, with multiple sizes available to match your space. GGS lets you set fan timing, adjust speeds, even automate it based on temp and humidity, all in one place. For clip fan, GGS gives you full control. Set runtime, adjust speed, choose oscillation angles, or even let it run automatically based on temp and humidity. With GGS, you can easily adjust your light's runtime, brightness, and PPFD, plus simulate sunrise and sunset or activate overheat protection, all at the touch of a button. With GGS, you can set your heater's runtime, adjust the power level, or let it run automatically based on temperature for precise control. With the GGS Power Strip, you can manage DWC, drip irrigation, UVR lights, glow series, plant stands, humidifiers, and dehumidifiers, all with advanced control modes like time, cycle, auto, temp, humidity, and CO2. In addition, we've got some huge discount surprises for you. Finish your setup with our complete grow kits. Everything you need, bundled with GGS. Take advantage of the best 420 sales savings today.